Mirza Ghalib, 1797 to 1869, was a renowned Urdu and Persian poet from the Mughal era in India. He is considered one of the greatest poets in the Urdu language, and his works are still widely read and appreciated today. Ghalib's poetry is known for its depth, complexity, and use of metaphors and wordplay. His poetry often dealt with themes such as love, loss, and the struggles of life. He also wrote about religion, philosophy, and politics, often using his poetry to comment on the society and culture of his time. Ghalib's most famous works include his collection of poetry called the Diwan-e-Ghalib, which contains his ghazals, or poetic couplets, and his letters to friends and family, which are considered literary masterpieces in their own right. Despite facing numerous personal and professional challenges throughout his life, including financial struggles and the loss of his wife and children, Ghalib continued to write and produce some of his most powerful and moving works. Today, he is remembered as a towering figure in Urdu and Persian literature and a symbol of the rich cultural heritage of the Indian subcontinent. Here are some additional facts about Mirza Ghalib. Mirza Asadullah Beg Khan, who later became famous as Mirza Ghalib, was born in Agra, India, in 1797. Ghalib was descended from a family of Turkish nobility, and his father was a court official in the Mughal Empire. He received a traditional education in Islamic studies, Persian literature, and Arabic, but he was also well versed in English and Urdu. His poetry was not initially well received by the literary establishment of his time, as it was considered too unconventional and difficult to understand. However, he gained popularity among readers and fellow poets who appreciated his unique style and poetic vision. Ghalib was a master of the ghazal form, which consists of rhyming couplets and a recurring refrain. He brought new depth and complexity to the genre, often using wordplay, metaphors, and philosophical themes. His poetry has been translated into many languages and has influenced numerous poets and writers across the world, including Rabindranath Tagore, Pablo Neruda, and Goethe. Ghalib was also known for his wit and humor, and his letters to friends and family are filled with clever wordplay and satirical commentary on the society and politics of his time. His personal life was marked by tragedy, including the deaths of his wife and several children, and he struggled with financial difficulties throughout his life. However, he continued to write and produce some of his greatest works even in the face of these challenges. Ghalib died in Delhi in 1869, and his legacy as one of the greatest poets of the Urdu language has only grown over time. Thanks for watching.